Hello everyone, and my name is Anubhav, and I am from CoinSwitch. And today I'm going to give you a very high overview about rule engines. And I won't be going deep inside the code and architecture part. I'll just be narrating the problem and how Go rule engine can help you solve that problem very efficiently. So the problem. This is a basic conversation which I had with my product manager around a year ago, and I have just modified it for being relatable. That what if my product manager comes to me and says that, hey, Anubhav, I want to add new fees and discount construct for Ganesh Chaturthi event, which is going to be in next couple of weeks. So, like, as you can see on the screen, he will share me a very big file which will contain the details of different kinds of users in different cohorts and how we can apply different fees and different discount to them for a better user experience. Now I have to code that all in. I have to put it on stage, then on UAT. I have to get approvals from QAs. And then finally, I can push it to production, which might take week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on the code complexity. In my case, it took around 3 weeks. And as you know, we developers are super lazy. It got extended for next 4 days. And we shipped that feature in around a month. So that's where this idea came to my mind, that why are we even coupling this whole business logic and the system architecture together in one piece of code? And these are like problems that I witnessed with the constraint-based system, that there are longer development cycle. If you want to add any new feature, it will take so much time. A lot of building costs, developers, QAs are getting involved. Prone to error because you are touching the code, of course. Then testing is required, decision-making capability is very less, scalability and maintenance cost is extremely high. So the solution, this is a library on GitHub. You can check. It's a rule engine based on the rule in Java. So now the conversation is fairly simple. He comes to me with the rules. I just upload it in my rule engine, and everything works out within an hour or two. So yeah, without rule engine, the production time to push to production was about 4 weeks. With rule engine, it was around 1 to 2 hours. Around 2 developers were involved with QA bandwidth. It took around 250 plus hours, but now we can save that. And the risk of customer outage is easily minimized. So the rule engines are decision makers of a system. You don't need to couple everything together. It's not working. Yeah. So this is like very basic definition of rule engine. You can see that I've written in short also TLDR, that application code should be dumb enough to support business logic which is existing in a separate server or maybe a separate part of your code which can be handled by rule engine. Yeah, based on time constraint, I'm skipping a few parts. Thanks, guys.